Okay, so I'm here in West Edmonton Mall today because Gordon Ramsay is going to be appearing for a book signing. I wasn't able to get a book, so I'm just going to take a picture. So I'm just waiting for Gordon Ramsay to appear. What time is it? It's 3:41. He's supposed to be showing up at 4 o'clock. Yeah, and look how crowded it is already. Yeah, I think Gordon is coming out soon. It's a good thing I have a good zoom on this camera, or else you won't be able to see anything. I'm actually standing pretty far back.
Thank you for joining us for the exclusive book signing event with Gordon Ramsay. His latest book, World's Kitchen, features his own interpretations of famous recipes from around the globe, and he's a hell of a nice guy, so he makes a Hell's Kitchen. So ladies and gentlemen, please give me a favor and show Mr. Gordon Ramsay Edmonton hospitality as he comes out here right now.
Signing right now. So Gordon Ramsay is now signing all those books that, like I said, I couldn't get a hold of. Alright, I don't think anything exciting is going to happen, so you can watch the rest of my other videos. So yeah, this is Gordon Ramsay at West Edmonton Mall. I'm here at West Edmonton Mall. This is where Gordon Ramsay is. You can see right there. And he's signing books, which I couldn't get a copy of. Han? How was it, honey?